Hi! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Kat. So, I'll be showing you my December haul. First, I got this. So, buksan ko na siya. So, let's check it what's inside. Wait, halo pala. Some are from Shopee. Yung 12 I'm turned. Cute numbers. I'm going to use I got this on Facebook also. From Facebook. So nice. The washi tapes. From another Destash. I so love the freebies. May washi sample ako. And sobrang cute. Yeah. So I went to the wet market and I was surprised. I found this alpha stickers, alpha chip stickers. It's only 15 pesos, guys. Ito 15. And this one, it's kind of different design. It's 20 pesos. At saka magagamit ko siya sa traveler's notebook ko because it's undated. It's so cool. I also went to SM Stationery mall and I bought this. Last but not the least is a haul from National Bookstore. They are sale. Ay, hindi pa ako sure kung up to today. So here's my haul. Konti na lang naabutan ko, guys. Baka nakakot na ng iba. So this one ticket, dati siyang 65 pesos. Ngayon 16 pesos na lang. Diba? Sobrang cool. Sobrang sulit niya. And I really love the ticket price. This one is a refill. Rosie's refill. So, dating 99 pesos. 24 pesos na lang, guys. And ito yung design niya. Perfect siya for my scrapbooking. Perfect siya for my junk journal. And this one, it's a divider. So, before it's 79 pesos. So, 19 pesos na lang. So, tapos ito, guys, hindi siya sale, pero na-amaze lang ako sa kanya kasi may ganito na pala silang rub-on stickers. So, it's mura lang kasi siya, 25 pesos, kaya binili ko na din. So, that's much for watching. Please do subscribe, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.